heard you. It's a joke.
It's not a joke. I'm sad. It's all cool.
It's easier for me to play when I have open mic on.
Oh wait, my phone's about to go off if I don't. I gotta mute it before the sound goes off. Unlock. Shit, there we
Too late. Ooh. You can call shots.
go. My bad.
Alrighty, boys. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna get in this game. We're gonna win. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be an easy GG.
I'm so close to 60 followers.
Alrighty, boys.
The only thing worse than like inaccurate shot calling is so vague shot calling that it doesn't help. Like,
Oh, McCree's over here.
they got a Reaper at they got a Reaper on the map. Fuck.
I've done that before, not gonna lie.
Diva's shield's about to break.
The hell? Let's go, boys.
That's sexist. What if some of them are girls?
You know what? That's not important. Because they're girls, so they're not important. So that's a joke.
I feel like you get yourself in trouble a lot with the things you say, because you seem to find a need to like repetitively go, "It's a joke."
I do.
Like, have you ever seen that video where they ask the kid what he does for fun, and he says, "Fuck bitches, don't tell my mom"? It feels like that.
No, it's because whenever I'm at work, I make like stupid jokes like I make on here, but it's a bunch of people who are like normies, and they all think I'm serious. So I have to say it's a joke every time I make a joke.
I tell my employees if they don't laugh at my jokes, they're fired. I'm the funniest person alive.
Is that a Genji on that?
No, it's a McCree.
It's a
There's
McCree.
also a Genji.
Ooh, there's a...
What tanks do they have? They have Zarya. Where's their second tank?
I'm behind them.
Going on the right.
I'm behind and above them.
Okay, you got this Moira. He's just faded. He's on the right.
We are so scattered here. We're not achieving anything. Let's just get
Get
out.
the Zarya over here.
If you guys
Get out.
if you guys back up, I'm like above and behind them. I can pick any one of them at call.
Yeah, we don't have any like. We were so staggered there. We were all on opposite sides of the place. Why are they push up to our spawn? Okay, let's pull all the way back into spawn, because they're just gonna pick us if we go out. Okay, I'll take that as a no.
I mean, I'm in the position I need to be in, and nobody knows
Yeah,
I'm there.
I know.
I'm gargoyling.
He's on the right. He's gonna wall us off though. So get ready for that. I'm rallying.
Oh yeah, you're done.
Tracers harassing.
Can't go in alone like that.
Going in on Mercy. Mercy down.
Okay, let's all get on point. I have ult up for.
Genji's out. Breeze out.
I have ult up for if they try to challenge point.
Get that Zarya. She's low. Moira's
There's
over
May
here,
in that
so,
side room by
let's get
herself.
someone on point.
I think she's up top. I just
May's
saw.
behind you.
She walled me off, but blocked herself in.
Okay,
Alright, they're
good
staggered.
fuck.
This is a 5v6 right now.
Yep. Okay, let's go in. I'm gonna ult in because they don't have any shields, And the main's down, so we can't block it. And I'm gonna ult in and we'll just go. Right? Where are they? They're where? I don't know where they are.
We're going into the 5v6. Us with 5.
No, I'm behind. I'm back.
I have
Okay,
a
we're good.
Moira.
Oh my god! It just took my ult because I maxed and then got promoted.
They've won this. Don't go in. Try to get back if you
Yeah, I was dead.
Yeah, I'm just chilling out here on the left. Yeah, I'm getting harassed by them, so I'm gonna pull out. What is Tracer doing, boys?
Their whole team's left side.
Yeah. Wanna go top right, take the high ground? Look, we don't really have anyone who benefits from the high ground.
I do, but only sort of.
I need heals ASAP. I was at like 8 HP before I got healed.
we have our DPS on the right and our tanks in the middle. We need
McCree down.
just-
Okay, let's go right.
Okay, let's go. Yeah, let's all go right, everyone.
Maze on that side.
Is Moira alone?
You may use your wall. She's probably regenerating.
Mercy low, Mercy's down. Good,
Get this Genji.
good shot. Genji's down.
On top right.
I can't block. I couldn't block the noon. I'm sorry. I don't have Matrix.
Freeze out. Zarya's out too. Nice.
It's just May. Mercy's gonna come on point. Tracer on right. Okay, they're all getting back. I'm gonna have my ult up in a moment. Everyone pull out of that. Okay, we got it. Oh! Oh, I killed her with the next summon! Let's go, I killed her with the next summon.
Get this Reinhardt, please.
Oh, I'm so hype.
Focus.
Is nobody else hyped for that? I'm sorry.
Genji. Rallying on point. May just eat third cryo.
Tracer,
Behind
Tracer.
the wall. That's focus on.
Whoa, I just had a hell of a ping spike.
I think I saw that on your character, like, bounce back.
Genji. Genji's still. Genji's low. Nice.
Good call-outs.
I got out of there with the bomb.
Tracer's low. He has no recall.
We're down on numbers now, but try to get back. as soon as we
No,
can.
no, we have the numbers. It's 4v3.
No, I mean, but they're trying to trick. They're gonna keep trickling forever. So we just need to get back. Unless I get this 4-man.
I'm
Oh.
rallying on point. Let's get this Lucio. He's low. Nice.
Zarya 1. Zarya's down. Reaper. Tracer changed to Reaper.
Get
Reinhardt
Nate,
just pushed off
Behind
points. Don't kill Reinhardt because he's down under. He can't get on point for a while. Okay, he's back.
Reaper.
Good job. I just got the Undying
Zarya.
achievement. So. Gold elims before this point was 6. Gold elims after that point was 28. Dude, gold elims before second point was 6, and after second point it was 28.
Ooh-wee.
Oh shoot, it's that person.
That double on point rally.
Oh, endorsement received for sportsmanship. Let's go.
You don't even say GG.
Oh my god. Ready? Oh, 2 endorsement ships. I'm so good.
Oh, I got one. Sweet.
2 endorsements in 1 game.
Well,
3 endorsements.
what level
Let's
are
go.
you in endorsements?
1.
By the way, Warrior was like, "Oh, I bet you I'll beat you to level 700." I don't think he will. He's like 7 levels behind me, and I'm 2 from level from 700.
3 endorsements in 1 game. Let's go. What is my endorsement level? It's still 1. How long does it take to level it up?
Alright. Took myself off open mic.
They ask me if I'm a model. They ask me if I'm an actress. Nah, I'm a hoe. I have 90% death participation. Oh, it's okay, Foo Bear. You kept turning him around. Can I endorse Foo Bear? Where's Foo Bear? You are a friendly person. I'm gonna endorse all 3 of you.
Oh man.
Alright, I'm gonna switch myself back over to open mic.
On Nepal, I'm gonna go Zarya.
I'm gonna go Doomfist.
As the Zarya Fist on this map is gonna be
Nepal
lit.
shrines.
Nothing is more satisfying than a Doomfist bump. Or boop.
I don't want to play Lucio.
Man, look at how low Drama's endorsement is. Jeez, he's a onesie.
Oh yeah.
Did you actually get in? Let's go.
Yeah.
No, you're not. 24.
What?
I'm level 24, but a PS4 convert. Okay.
I'm only level 97.
I mean, you're not wrong.
I'm very low and Reaper's behind, but he's very low.
Yep. 3 on the right. They're coming from the right side.
I'm at 40.
Oh, shit.
Vegeta and
Great, I have to fucking
Vegeta's out.
swap because they're running goddamn Pharah.
Soldier's still on high ground. Reaper, 3 of them on hold. 3 of them on hold. Okay.
We're done.
I'm
Yeah.
gonna
This
get
is our
out of here.
regroup. Well.
No! I got booped by something.
Let's move forward. Let's move right. Let's move right. We're walking to their hands
Awesome.
by going to far like this.
We kinda... Okay. It's because this tank is... Yeah, I can't do anything with this Reaper.
Punish this Reaper?
Reaper is insane.
Oh man. He
I
got the
hate
negative.
Reaper is broken in this game. Oh, but that's coming from a tank mage who gets countered by Reaper, but you know. Touche.
Her Diva's armor's broken.
Pharah's behind us.
Not anymore.
Bars down.
Shady.
Alright.
They just popped like 4 ults.
Yeah, they did.
I'm stuck in hiding.
Yeah, we need to kill Reaper. Crouch,
Alright,
crouch.
Let's
Oh my
get
God.
our McCree onto high ground on the right. We'll go in through the right.
I can't get onto anything.
We're just gonna have to just look at- Do they know you're there?
Alright, don't go out yet. We're missing our manual.
Oh my god, dude, why are you so good? Like,
Try to get
I'm
this-
sorry, I thought I was playing Overwatch, not Metal Gear.
Diva just charged in. Let's get this Diva.
I need heals, I haven't gotten like... I've almost got my ult up, so if we can hold this a bit longer. I have grab for next fight.
Nah, I got blasted.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oprah's Gooch is like just charging in balls deep.
Yeah, literally.
Okay. I wanna play Doomfist! Alright. If I make this, I get to play Doomfist. Oh, shit. McCree is.
Dude, you can play Doomfist all you want, but, like...
Not on a map like this, I can't kill Pharah. On other maps, I can
Yeah.
kill Pharah with Doomfist, but not this one. Oh, we don't have a main tank anymore. Whatever.
Yeah.
We got the survivors.
Yeah, we're good. This is a fine comp.
Oh, we're split up. Let's go around left. Sparrow's over here. Really well
Ours
low.
super low.
Ah, okay.
She got away. Let's just get on point.
Get this Reaper.
Soldier just fed me for a bunch. Are we got on point, guys?
I got one tapped by Reaper.
Reaper's
I
coming
think
on
they're
point.
just letting me have it now.
Nope.
No, but like me and Roadhog were on point, your tanks were on point, and you guys were just sort of sitting there. Okay, let's all get on point this time. Yeah.
No, we lost this again.
Yeah.
Get this Vegeta on the right.
Punish Reaper right now. Reaper.
Working on it.
I mean, thanks for the free 76% charge. Don't mind if I do.
On my sound barrier.
Everyone. Somebody's gonna die, yeah.
Yeah, I didn't have my bubble up.
Let's
I
get
don't know why
this
this
Vegeta on the right.
soldier keeps just running in. Okay, let's all go right.
Jesus!
Boys on the right.
Oh.
I have my ults up. Let's go on point and ult. Ready? Oh, it was
Vegeta,
just
get your
Diva.
ult ready.
She ate it. That was a
Let's get on,
battle.
get on, get
Let's
on.
take it. Let's take it.
Reaper behind.
I know there's a flanking Reaper. I'm trying to do something about it. It's a lot easier said than done.
Oh man, my Roadhog just fell.
Reaper just does so much fucking damage.
Yeah, he's insane.
Let's just
Yeah.
back up.
The deep.
Back up.
We have to go in. We can't back up.
Yeah.
Get the percentage.
I'm gonna just try to sneak my way in.
Yeah, there's nothing we can do.
I don't think I'm gonna make it. Oh, I made it.
Yeah.
I'm dead.
Yeah, GG.
Also, this other tank has not had his ult once because he switches every fight.
I could kill the Pharah, I could kill the Reaper, and I could kill the Soldier, but they, like, all three turned at once on their targets. They have great focus fire.
Nice try, Oprah. That was kind of difficult.
I know I scared the shit out of him, by the way. He teleported up on top of a pillar when I was hiding, and I looked up at him and I was like, God, there's no way he doesn't see me, and then I just double shot him in the head.
I'm gonna do one more and then I gotta get off for the night.
Alright. Alright, Heather. This is just, Oh, we have two randoms again.
Oh, really? I didn't even notice this. And
Yeah.
they can't flex if they don't fill for it.
Yeah.
So they better go their roles.
Yeah, they better go the roles. They're not sure what they are yet. Actually, that was one.
That was one, hey.
That's
Hey,
not the...
oh.
Oh, wait, that is the other.
Yeah.
Oh, shit!
See, I told you, I called it out.
LFG for the win!
I'm so good.
And they're both in chat!
Oh my god.
I'm getting nervous because I switched.
Alright, I'm locked into support.
everyone.
now,
Yeah, you're locked into support there, and they pick support. This
so.
is...
I am talking to them.
Hey, hey, hey!
Hey, what's with the aggression in here? It's all
Hey.
good. Hey?
Ah! I almost didn't make it up onto the bridge.
Oh man, this is a good time. I don't understand how I'm not support level 2 yet, because I've gotten, or endorsement level, so I've gotten, like, good sportsmanship literally every game.
Because it takes, I think, like 50 to 60 endorsements to get to level 2.
Really? That's crazy.
I have a... it took me a while.
So we gotta make sure that they're best and can't just set up all of
Did they
them.
say GG back?
The
Oh.
world changed after the crisis. It
Alright.
is overdue for a new test.
Okay, let's play a little more aggressive.
Yep.
I literally can't kill Bastion. Like, I can dive and pump everything into him and he'll live through it. Alright.
Tracer on the left.
Good pin.
Nice pin.
Quality.
Tracer's behind.
I'm gonna
no
die.
recall low.
We have to. We don't have any sports. Oh, we don't either.
Yeah, I got stuck.
Yeah, they do not have that.
Hold up. Let me assert my dominance. Let me assert my Oh,
No.
Oh, I did it. I killed her.
No
I
dominance
killed her.
assertion.
No, I killed her. I killed her.
Oh, okay.
I got the kill. I wanted to defo.
Oh.
Maybe even 1v1.
I'm hit. I'm gonna die. Oh, no.
Is this Reinhardt? Nice. Mercy on the right, resin Brigitte. Oh, I need heals. I'm out of mech, yeah. I thought I had my team behind me. I didn't. That was my bad.
Oh, it's too late. That was a bad word.
Got him.
Nice dragon. Reinhardt's on the left.
That's scary.
Got the Steve-O over here. Steve-O's on point. You guys stay up.
I missed! God. Her armor's broken. I'm gonna do something
Oh.
cheeky.
I just got nanoed as Baby Diva. Why? Why did this guy just nano me on Baby Diva?
Probably trying to get me. Got the skin on the left.
Damn it, didn't get to sort my dog.
Chase around. Jason recalled. He's on the right side. Look at Shatter.
I mean, I'm keeping the Tracer at bay, but
Yeah, Tracer's on the right of point. He just recalled.
Idiot.
Got the Tracer.
she's dead.
Thanks for it down.
Okay, I wasted their res.
Alright. Oprah's Gooch is down.
They are so spread out.
Reinhardt's in the back left. Quick, Mercy. He's got them.
Oh, I got hammered down.
They just
Shit.
Shatter. Behind Yana.
They're probably in all their ults, but we're still winning because they're abysmally unorganized.
I died, but I stopped
We might
Brigade
actually
ult.
lose this after I bragged about us still winning, so guess think before you talk. Yeah, I couldn't get back in mech before they killed me.
And I'm having a lag spike. What the dick pickles? Thank you, Kurt.
We can contest this. Let's touch. Touch, yes. I like that name, Broski.
Did you guys just status?
Oh wow, we are getting messed up here. Yeah, this is not very good.
Are we?
I'm gonna. Yeah, we are losing.
I got double pick.
Damn it.
Oh, Frumpus is.
Hey, don't go in.
That's fine.
Damn it! I have the long go. Man, these ping spikes are gonna kill me. I cannot have that happening. I'm gonna take my gargoyle spot.
Tracer and Reinhardt are behind.
Tracer and Reinhardt are behind. That means I can wipe out Mercy with no issue.
I'm gonna ult on the point. Ready?
I am ready
Oh my
for that
God,
any moment.
Okay, I lag spiked. My boosters didn't go through because I lag spiked. Like I boosted and then I elastic banded back, so the boosters didn't go through. And then I got launched out of my mech into my death. So yeah, I just lagged and wasted my ult. And died. So that's basically the worst thing that could have happened. Like that was just the literal worst. Oh man, that could have been good too. I'm mad.
Shit.
I'm actually so mad.
Heather, I think you should beat them. Any kids popping fireworks?
We'll contest once the team gets back. Tracer's behind.
Tracer no recall.
Orphan went in.
I got them far left.
Oblivious, you're contradicting your own callouts.
I said to contest when the team is here.
And then you went in
Got
alone.
back here.
Diva, die. Thank you. Leave the Diva. Let her stagger.
I just want to know how much health she has. Okay, I'm gonna kill her.
Yep. Go.
Our enemies defeated.
Yeah, so now she doesn't have time to get back and we're good. Ready for these picks? Bam, Mercy's down. Reinhardt killed himself. He's not smart. GG. Time to raise my APM.
Oh, he caught me mid-slam. Oprah
Listen to her.
Scooch!
I'm gonna endorse their Reinhardt, because they were darn good. Alright, I'm out. I'm gonna make someone else leader. Hold up. Who's gonna be leader? I'm gonna make Void leader since you're like co-captain kinda. There you go. And I'm out.
I'm like first mate.
Yeah. Alrighty, see you guys.
Do we have any of these other people getting on? I guess not. Are you staying on? I know you said you had something to do.
I guess I'll go.
I mean, you don't have to. I'm not trying to tell you to leave. I just remember you said.
I'm gone.
Alright. Good night.
Night. See ya.